Okay guys, so problem number 5 on statics, so this is the end of the statics video. Hydrostatics and buoyancy and all that will be posted also. So we have case A and then case B in a second. And so I expect you guys to do a free body diagram. That should be without saying for all of these. This was again to just emphasize what a cantilever looks like. They do actually mention it in your book, and I noted that on your worksheet. So a cantilever will have an AX, AY, and a moment reaction. So again, it's very straightforward. Sum of forces in the Y. AY is going to balance 10 times 9.81. Couldn't be more simple. AX is going to be 0. There is no force in the X for AX to counterbalance. That one could be done by inspection, but be careful on the test if you write by inspection, because if you turn that wrong, it's going to be really hard to get partial credit back. So caution there. And then finally, the sum of moments. Again, denote where you're taking it. So we have point A and point B. It says B on the worksheet. Always write down where you're taking the sum of moments. It tells the GSI where you're going at, because these problems, you saw the last one has A, B, and C, and if everybody chooses something different, that's fine, but it makes the grading a lot easier, so let us know where you're taking the moments. Also tell us which sign notation. It only takes a second, guys, and it just, you're going to make the GSIs happier when you grade, when we grade. So MA, don't get it confused with this guy. This is denoting the reactionary moment. And then times 10 times 9.81 times its momentum. So it couldn't have been more simple. And this makes sense that it's negative. This is going to make him want to go in the clockwise. Here I chose clockwise as positive. If we assume it's going to be clockwise, and then nothing's going to balance the clockwise caused by the 10 kilograms. So keep that in mind. Let's look at part B. Okay, so if we come over. Okay, so this is part B. It's almost the exact same thing, only this one's got a little trick to it, is that you would expect the pulley would actually help in the Y, and it doesn't. Because the pulley is going to equalize that force, the cable, right, it's going to have the same tension throughout. He's going to have 9.81 and 9.81, and so it actually adds to the Y component. So now it's 2, denoting 2 of them times 9.81. And the only difference here is the moment also increases by 2. So we're assuming that the radius of the pulley really doesn't matter. So again, AX is 0. That goes without saying. It's by inspection. But be careful when you do that, okay? Thanks, guys.